let's talk about B cells, which are a type of white blood cell. And what they do is they differentiate into two types of cells. So some of them become, let's do this, some of them become memory cells, memory B cells, and some of them become plasma cells. So this is one of the answer choices. They are a part of the active immune system. And looking at our answer choices here, we have, let me just write this down. So T helper cells here, and then I said plasma cells is most likely going to